Life is a journey filled with joy, love, and laughter, but also stress, negativity. Do you feel weighed down? There's a way to find peace. Ancient wisdom offers a path, a way to cleanse your spirit, to find balance. Let's explore a simple ritual, a ritual for inner peace. Salt, a simple mineral yet so powerful. When combined with the vibrant energy of limes, it becomes even more potent. Limes are known for their refreshing and cleansing properties. Together, they create a potent force, a blend of nature's best. From the 12th to the 19th of February, write your name on a piece of paper and put it into salt water. Picture the sporula results. This ritual is simple, yet powerful. It's designed to cleanse your mind and body, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated. You'll need 6 green limes, sea salt, and a bowl of warm water. These ingredients are not just ordinary items. They hold the essence of nature's healing properties. First, cut each lime into halves. The act of cutting the lime symbolizes breaking away from stress and negativity. Squeeze the juice into the water. As you squeeze, visualize. Picture all your stress and worries leaving your body and entering the lime. See stress leaving the limes. Imagine it flowing out and dissolving into the water, transforming it into a powerful elixir and flowing into the water. The water now holds the essence of your released stress, ready to be neutralized. Add a handful of sea salt. Stir gently. The salt absorbs negativity. It purifies the water, making it a medium for healing. The lime infuses the water with fresh energy. This energy is vibrant and revitalizing, ready to rejuvenate your spirit. Feel the positive energy surround you. Embrace this moment of tranquility and let it restore your inner balance. Salt and limes have been revered for their cleansing and purifying properties. These simple elements, when embraced, can bring profound peace and balance to our lives. In this chapter, we will explore how to connect with the elements of salt and lime to enhance our well-being. Take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty of salt and lime. Feel the texture of salt crystals and breathe in the refreshing aroma of lime. Let the essence of these elements soothe your mind and soul. Embrace the cleansing energy of salt, the zest of lime, and the purity of water. Let them cleanse and revitalize your spirit. This connection with salt and lime is a powerful tool for inner peace and harmony. Imagine the warmth of the sun infusing your body with vibrant energy. Feel the gentle breeze carrying away your worries and fears. Sense the grounding presence of salt beneath you, providing stability and strength. Listen to the flowing water, washing away negativity and filling you with tranquility. These elements are not just external forces, they are part of you. By connecting with them, you align yourself with the natural rhythms of life. This harmony brings a deep sense of peace and well-being. Make it a habit to incorporate salt and lime into your rituals regularly. Let them be your sanctuary where you can recharge and rejuvenate. Embrace the healing power of salt and lime and let them guide you on your journey to inner peace. Now let's transition to the next chapter where we will delve into the language of transformation and how words can shape our reality. Self-care is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for maintaining mental, emotional, and physical well-being. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of creating a self-care ritual that nourishes your soul using simple ingredients like lime and salt. Begin by setting aside time each week solely for yourself. Create a serene environment, light some candles, play calming music, and prepare a warm bath infused with lime and salt. As you sink into the water, let the warmth envelop you and release any tension in your body. Close your eyes and take deep, mindful breaths. Visualize the water washing away your stress and worries, leaving you with a sense of peace and renewal. This is your time to disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with yourself. Reflect on your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Allow yourself to feel and release anything that no longer serves you. Incorporate gentle practices like journaling, meditation, or even a simple walk in nature. These moments of self-care are essential for recharging your energy and fostering a deeper connection with your inner self. Remember, self-care is an act of self-love. Make it a regular part of your life and watch how it transforms your overall well-being. Now let's transition to the next chapter, where we will delve into the art of mindfulness and how it can bring peace and clarity to our lives. Salt and limes have the power to heal and transform. The natural properties of salt and limes can penetrate deep into our being, bringing harmony and balance. In this chapter, we will explore the healing power of salt and limes. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and focus on the soothing properties of salt and limes. Let the natural elements of salt and limes wash over you, cleansing and rejuvenating your spirit. Feel the harmony and balance that salt and limes bring to your mind and body. Embrace the healing power of salt and limes and let them guide you to a state of inner peace. The journey within can be symbolized by the simple elements of salt and lime. These elements represent purification and zest for life. In this chapter, we will use salt and lime to explore our true selves. Find a quiet place to sit with your salt and lime. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Focus on your inner self. Let go of any external distractions. Explore your thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Embrace your true self and find peace within. This journey within, guided by salt and lime, is a powerful tool for self-discovery and inner peace. Embrace it fully and let it guide you to a higher state of being. Lime, a vibrant and invigorating fruit, holds incredible cleansing properties that can enhance your self-care ritual. In this chapter, we delve into the benefits of incorporating lime and salt into your practice. Lime is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help to detoxify and rejuvenate the skin. Its natural acidity aids in exfoliating dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling fresh and revitalized. The citrus scent of lime also has an uplifting effect on the mind, promoting a sense of clarity and calm. Begin by cutting a fresh lime into slices. As you prepare your bath, drop the lime slices and a handful of salt into the water. Allow the natural oils and salt to infuse, filling the air with a refreshing aroma. As you soak, gently rub the lime slices over your skin, focusing on areas that feel tense or stressed. Feel the cleansing properties of the lime and salt work their magic, washing away impurities and negative energy. The combination of lime, salt, and warm water creates a powerful synergy that heightens the overall experience. The lime's acidity balances the skin's pH levels, while its invigorating scent awakens your senses. This simple yet effective addition to your ritual can transform an ordinary bath into a purifying, rejuvenating experience. Embrace the cleansing power of lime and salt. Incorporate them into your self-care routine and feel the difference they make. Let them cleanse your body, mind, and spirit, leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. The journey to inner peace is enhanced by the elements of nature. Lime and salt, with their cleansing properties, are powerful allies in your quest for tranquility. Embrace their benefits and let them guide you to a higher state of being. Words have power. They shape our reality and influence our emotions. As you hold the lime and salt, repeat positive affirmations. I am at peace. Let the energy of these elements and the serenity of the moment envelop you. I am filled with light. Feel the energy of the lime and salt energize your spirit and illuminate your path. I am worthy of love. Believe these words. Let them sink deep into your heart and soul. Feel them resonate within you. Allow the breeze to carry away any doubts or fears. This is the language of transformation. Embrace it fully and let it guide you to a higher state of being. Make this ritual a monthly practice. Document your journey and reflect on your growth, a commitment to your well-being. Each movement, each breath is a step towards inner peace. Embrace the power of lime and salt. Unlock your inner peace. Let these elements cleanse and purify your spirit.